Yes, my seekers of extraordinary. We're off to a jaw-dropping journey through the hidden gems of Faro, Portugal. Brace yourselves because we're diving headfirst into a mysterious church of bones. But wait, our exploration does not stop there. We will be venturing into the heart of Faro, where abandoned buildings stand as a haunting reminder of the city's forgotten past. Join us as we shed light on the shadows where homeless souls seek refuge. And just when I thought the adventure could not get any more interesting, we hopped on the train from Faro to Albufeira. Our first impressions? It's like stumbling into an English party town. But is it all fun and games? Stick around, let's find out. We're at the centre of Faro. And we're gonna go to this church to check out the crypt.
Church of bones?
The bones, the bony church, the church with bones inside. Called Capela dos Ossos. This is Carnival Church, located in Faro, also known as the Chapel of Bones. Entrance, €2.
Insane, look at that.
It's a perfect fit.
Wow. Look at all the skulls.
The bones belongs to the monks that used to serve in the church. After serving in the church, they get cremated. 1,250 skeletons gets plastered all over the walls. Bones and skulls. Now they're watching all around the tourists, waiting for them to fill in the skull gaps. I didn't find it scary, but I found it fascinating. Right, that's the end of the church visit. Always get beggars by churches and banks. God will bless you, God will bless you. So that was the crypt. As you can see, you're wondering, why am I carrying this? What's this? Well, I've got a suit in here. My friend's getting married. This is exactly why I came to Portugal. Didn't expect it to be raining, but hey, I don't expect, well, I did say I didn't expect it, but yeah, you know what I'm talking about. Even the town centre is empty. Still trying to find the train station. I think we're getting there. This must be it. Where again?
Albufeira.
Albufeira. €365 from Faro to Albufeira. Not too bad. So our waiting time is 25 minutes. So while we're waiting, we're gonna go and explore. We just found an unusual building across the station. Looks like some kind of communist building, really excluded from all the other buildings. This one stands out like a sore thumb compared to the rest of these. It definitely does look abandoned. I want to try and go inside.
It doesn't match with the rest of the building.
You heard that? It is really weird because this building right here does not match with any other buildings around. Yeah, everything is completely shut. I'm sure there's a way inside. I'm sure homeless people are sleeping inside here. Speaking of homeless. There's nothing inside. nothing seems maintained. Nothing's well taken care of. I'm seeing old cars that my mum used to drive back in 1996, and I used to hide when I was going to school. My mum always dropping me off. No one see me in those kind of cars. Let's have a look inside. I'm sure there's people inside here. There must be European inside here. Hello? That is proper creepy, you know. You got clothes in there, you got old clothes, you got children's clothes, you got food, empty bottles of whatever's in there. Oh, let's go then, let's go. Have you seen the state of the train? I thought it said Lagos, you know. Oh, Lagos. Mind your step. And let's hope all the seats are not taken. You found the seat there? Nice stops. At the coastline of Albufeira now. There's not that many restaurants as I can see. Yeah, they're probably further down there. I think this is the heart of Britain in Portugal, Albufeira. Because you're seeing them with their bloody vests and shorts. And their pint of Guinness, or the pint of, not pint of Guinness, pint of lager. Down there?
Yeah, down there with the views.
I think this is more of the British side. Why do I say that? Because they got €3 beer, wine, €5 cocktail, happy hour 12 to 5, English breakfast. There you go. Being in Albufeira, I feel like I'm in Benidorm right now. You got the pub there, yeah. You got the underground sign, Piccadilly. Definitely a party strip. 100% Benidorm. Now it's find Sticky Icky. Sticky Vicky. I can imagine how summer's gonna be here. Nah, don't smoke, no. My guy just come up to me asking me if I smoke. We've got a shot out here. Look, you wanna smoke? The guy in the blue jeans and the navy blue jacket. He's asking everyone if they smoke. Why do these, like, I actually want to ask these guys here, why does their feet and hand always shake? I see it in Romania, I see it in London in Wood Green. I'll show you. This one right here, right behind me. It's really hard to decide what's a good restaurant, where is good to eat, as they're kind of infusing Chinese and Indian food together and stuff. But before I go, I need to go to the toilet. So they've got public toilets open. After all that walking, we finally found a restaurant. There we go.
Bocconcini di mozzarella.
Bocconcini what?
Mozzarella balls.
Mozzarella balls, okay.
Red pepper and feta pizza.
Right. The red pepper and feta is actually your pizza of the day. So the pizza of the day goes for $8.50
Okay.
instead of the normal price. Thank you very much.
As you can see, I don't choose or decide what we're gonna eat because I let this woman right here, she chooses all my stuff for me because she's got good taste. I trust in her.
Sorry.
We'll see what we're gonna eat because you're saying some names I didn't understand.
It's gonna be a nice meal.
Okay, we'll see. This is called mozzarella balls. Can you see that there? It's chewy, soft. It's really crispy on the outside. Lightly flavoured, yeah. Okay, this is like a lasagna. And I'm gonna go like this. The flavours here, it's really pushing it for me. I love it. The total bill, can you see guys? Obviously I was a greedy one. I got two main courses. One main course, a starter, a bottle of wine,
And a free shot.
and a free shot of limoncello on the house. Whoa, there's a lot of seagulls above us. There's a dead seagull as well. I don't want to get pooped on. But why are the seagulls flying around like this? Is it because the one seagull's dead? Wow, she's so good. She's picking up the bed. Okay, she just put it in a bag. She just picked up a dead seagull and just put it by the bin, wrapped it up in the bag and put it by the bin. Oh, obrigado. Oh, right, hotel number 2. Oh, this looks so cool. This looks, oh my god. Oh, this looks so cool.
This is so beautiful.
Oh my days. Tomorrow I'll be posting more. Goodbye guys, have a good night.